Hello guys, welcome to Miss Lydia 001. On today's video I'm going to do a cake, and that's what I'm going to use. I have blue band, I have bowl, I have almost a glass of sugar, half kg of wheat flour. I also have blue band, I have strawberry, and a glass of milk and some eggs. So those are the ingredients I'm going to have to do the cake. So enjoy, and don't forget to like the video as we continue watching.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life.
Yeah, so guys, another thing, I will break the egg on a separate bowl, that white small bowl, because maybe there is one which is rotten and I don't want to spoil all of the eggs. So I will do that to all of the eggs, and then putting it to the mixture of blue band and sugar until I finish breaking all the eggs. So continue watching and give the video a like, comment down below. Thank you for the support, guys.
I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like heaven's not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony? Panic, 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 panic. Tell me, can you hear the symphony? I can't help but think that it's meant to be, that I'm finally right where I'm supposed to. If I let you into the secret, would you listen? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like
Yeah, so guys, here I come after mixing blue band, sugar and eggs all together. Second step, I'm going to add wheat flour, and it's good if you sieve, as you see, as I'm doing. Yeah, it's good to sieve the flour as I'm doing. So I will sieve the flour, then I will continue mixing until it mixes well. Keep liking the video, guys. Keep liking. Don't forget to like. It's another way of supporting this channel. Yeah.
tell me, can you hear the symphony? Panic, 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 panic. Tell me, can you hear the symphony?
Yeah, so guys, currently I don't have a tray, so I will use this sufuria over mine, and it's clean as you can see. Then I've applied Blue Band and flour, so it's ready to put the mixture of the cake. So yeah, and the mixture of the cake came out so perfect, so perfect. Guys, I really enjoyed doing this cake of mine. It came out, the mixture is itself came out so good, yeah. So look at how it is. It's not as thick and it's not as light, so it's in between. I wanted it to be like this. Wow, it came out so perfect. It came out so perfect. So let's continue watching and give the video a like. As you can see, it's ready to be put on the oven. Yeah, so let's do a cake. Today we are going to use an oven. We are not going to
Every
use a
day
jiko.
I want your touch, in every way I can't give it up. Anything just to feel the rush. This just ain't enough. Will you be my ride or die? We can do this every night. Will you be my ride or die? Will you be my ride or die? We can do this every night. Will you be my ride or die? I can't give it up. Just to feel the rush. Will you be my ride or die? We can do this every night. Will you be my ride or die? Will you be my ride or die?
So guys, I had to taste it and it was yummy. And finally I came to the end of the video and the cake came out so perfect, although it break on the top. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give the video a like and comment down below. Let's meet on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.